this is with regards to the ability to set a reminder for the members for their before their appointment. So we do have the feature that we can set as a reminder where it's on an admin level. We have to go to the automations, which is the admin level that we can set, create custom automations, and let's say, for example, appointment reminder is what we will keep the name as. And this can be done for two things. One is for the member, we can send a WhatsApp or email reminder, and the other is we can set an hour before the appointment for the staff as a task to open up. So this is where you can set it. We can also select for multi-center, that is multiple center. If you want to select and assign it for, we can do it, or just one center. Then we click on save. We have the appointment sessions over here. So appointment is basically when should the reminder should go to the client. So that is on the appointment date. So we select over here appointment date and save the trigger. So once we do that, then we have the option either to send, the automation that will be set will be based on what message and through which the message should be sent out, whether email, SMS, or WhatsApp. So let's say if we say it on WhatsApp, so before a day before the appointment, or an hour before, or how many minutes before. So we have this set before the event, which is maybe 2 hours before the appointment. So as soon as we select hours, based on that, the drop down will show in minutes over here. So let's say if it is 2 hours, so it's 120 minutes, and automatically whatever the template that you would be setting in the WhatsApp, so you will have to select that in the content. And once you submit this, this is where the automation will be set. So any appointment that is being booked 2 hours before the appointment starts, the message will be sent to the member. Thank you.